Hello students, in this video we will learn your topic linear equation in two variable, your exercise 4.3. Let's see the question number 4. The taxi fare in a city is as follows. For the first kilometer the fare is rupees 8 and for the subsequent distance it is rupees 5 per kilometer. Taking the distance covered as x kilometer and total fare as rupees y, write a linear equation for this information and find its graph. From this given information, we have to write linear equation. You have to write linear equation for this information, and then we have to draw the graph. So what is given? You see total distance covered. How much given? X kilometer. So total distance covered. How much? X kilometer. For example, from distance from here A to B, from A to B, total distance is x kilometer. From here to there, distance is given x kilometer. Now you see, for the first kilometer, for example, you take up to here, distance is 1 kilometer. From here to there, for example, from C, for example, distance is 1 kilometer. The remaining distance, how much? Remaining part distance is from total distance. You subtract this 1 kilometer. So now you see, for the first kilometer, the fare is rupees 8. For the first kilometer, fare is rupees 8. Fare for the rest of the distance, fare for the rest of the distance, rupees 5. So rest of the distance, how much? X minus 1. Therefore, total fare y is for the first kilometer, how much? Rupees 8. Rest of the distance, fare is 5 into x minus 1. 8 plus 5 into x, 5x. Plus into minus, minus 5 into 1 is 5. 5x you write first. 8, 5. Before 8 is greater than 5. So before greatest term we have plus. So write plus. 8 minus 5 is 3. So this is your linear equation. What we get? Linear equation y is equal 5x plus 3. Now you find out the coordinates. Taking x is 0, we have y is equal 5 into x. Value how much we take? 0 plus 3. 5 into 0. 5 into 0 is 0 plus 3. 0 plus 3 is 3. So what we get? The first coordinate x, y. When we take x 0, at that time y getting how much? 3. Next, taking x is minus, for example, 1. X is minus 1. At a time, y is how much? X value we will take now minus 1. At the time, y will be how much? Y is equal 5 into x is minus 1 plus 3. 5 into minus 1 minus 5 plus 3. So before getting some 5 we have minus, so do subtract. 5 minus 3 is 2. So when we get x value minus 1 at a time, y getting how much? Minus 2. Now we plot this point on a graph paper. First you make the Cartesian plane x and y coordinates. So here values are x coordinate is 0 and minus 1. So this one is x axis, this one y axis. This is origin. You make units now. This is in your graph paper. You take 10 small square is equal 1 unit. 2, 3. Here in left side negative 1 minus 1 minus 2 minus 6. Y above x axis y value will be positive 1, 2, 3. Below x axis y value will be negative 1, minus 1, minus 2, minus 2. Now you plot these points. X0, Y3. X0. In x axis you see 0. This one is 0. Origin. Y3. This one minus 3. This one is 3. So this is your point. 0, 3. Then x is minus 1. In x axis minus 1 is here. Then y is minus 2. Minus 1, y minus 2. So in minus 2, minus 1 and y is minus 2. So your point is this one. Minus 1, minus 2. Now you join these points. So this is your required graph. Y is equal 5x plus 3. This is your required graph of this equation. Y equal 5x plus 3. Let's see the next question number 6. If the work done by a body on application of a constant force is directly proportional to the distance traveled by the body, express this in the form of an equation in 2 variables and draw the graph of the same by taking the constant force as 5 units. So let x is the distance X is the distance traveled. And Y is the work done. Y is work done. Is the work done by body. So as per question, our equation will be what? If the work done by body on a application of a constant force is, work done is what? Directly proportional to the distance traveled. Distance we take as how much? X. Distance traveled by the body expressed in the form of an equation in two variable, and draw the graph of the same by taking, you see, taking given constant force is given 5 units. So work done is directly proportional to the distance traveled. So distance we have 5x. So they are given constant force 5 units. So your as per question, the equation will be y is equal 5x. So now we will find out the points. Taking x is 1, we have x value, you take 1, y equal 5 into x is 1. 5 into 1 is how much? 5. When we take x value 1 at a time, y value we get how much? 5. Find one more. Taking x is, for example, minus 1. We have y equal 5 into x is how much? Minus 1. 5 into minus 1, minus 5. 5 into minus 1 is minus 5. When we take x minus 1, at that time we get y is minus 5. Now we'll plot this point on a graph paper. This y axis, this one x axis. So this is your origin. So y, you see, y value 5, up to 5 unit you write 1, 2, 3, 5 unit. Four, 5. Here minus 5. You have to take equal distance, okay? 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. X, you see, value 1 and minus 1 only. So 1, 2, 3. No need this much. They also no need this much. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Now we'll plot this x1. You see, in x axis 1 is here. This is 1. Y 5. X is 1. Y is 5. This one. So this is your point. 1, 5. Then x is minus 1. In x axis, you see minus 1, this one. Minus 1. Y, how much? Minus 5. Minus 1. In y axis, minus 5, this one. So minus 1, minus 5. Your point is minus -1 -5 -1 -5. So now you join these 2 points. Join these 2 points. So this is your required graph of this equation y is equal 5x. So in this way we have to draw the graph of this equation y is equal 5x. This is your equation. From this equation you find out the point, then you plot this point in your graph paper. Okay. So this much for today in this video. We will meet you in the next video. Thank you.